another video. Today we are going to be fixing the front end on my BMW E60 525 diesel. I know that these headlights have a lot of potential. They do not look good right now, so in this episode we are going to be figuring out a fast way to fix them. I have already tried on my Skyline to fix them for the long term. Instead of wet sanding and then using clear coat, we are going to use a polishing kit that I bought for quite cheap. Actually, I think this is cost like 20 euros or something like that. So we're going to try this today and just polish, and then after that we will put on some, I don't know what it's called, but it will protect the glass so it will last for longer. But yes, I know that using clear coat will work even better, but for this car it's a daily, you know what, I think this will be a lot better. So I really hope we can see a good before and after on this car, and hopefully the front end will look a lot better when we are done. I will now actually start a clock to see how fast this job can be done. I have not been doing this for a whole winter. If this just takes 30 minutes, I don't know what I have been waiting for. Remember also to subscribe and like this video, and now let's get going. Okay, so in this box we got two different things. So we got the polish first, and then we got the sealer. Let's call it a sealer. And we are going to use a microfiber cloth. Now let's add some of this polish on the headlight and see if we can get this fading away. It will be kind of cool if it goes away pretty fast, but I don't know if I want to get my hopes up too much. Let's take it on several spots on the headlight. And yeah, let's go. Oh, damn, I forgot to sand it there. There we go. Maybe now polished actively for like 4 minutes, 3 minutes perhaps. I don't know if that's enough or if I need more. It doesn't say on the box, I don't know. Now let's try to wipe it off again. Is that better? Okay, compared to the other light, that's a lot better. Take a look at this. And we have not even put on the sealer yet, but so I hope the sealer will also make it more clear. But now I want to show you this light and the other one. And this has only taken me like 4 or 5 minutes already. Maybe let's say 2 minutes on masking, 3 minutes or 4 minutes on rubbing the polishing out. This is good. Take a look at that, okay? And then this. That's quite a difference. This looks much more clear now than that one. Oh damn, that's a difference. Damn. Wow. Let's put the sealer on and see if that helps even more. It says shake it, so I'm gonna do that. We have not even been outside for like 10 minutes yet, and it's already this much better. This is good. A really quick job, and the car looks so much better using the same cloth but on the other side, so we don't get. So now I will take some of this. Oh, that was bad, strange. And now let's put it on the glass. And circular motions, it said on the box, so let's do that. Does this work as some kind of clear coat maybe? I don't know. Maybe it worked a little bit actually. Let's take some more on. Okay, okay, I can like that. Okay, so now I'm actually done with this headlight. I mean, yes, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than when we started. Look at this. That's the right one. This is the left one. Oh man, it looks so good. I mean, look at the difference. Okay, now we're going to start the clock again and see how much time I will use on simply one headlight. Let's start the clock right now. I'm done. That took about 7 minutes. That's it. And now it is polished. It looks a lot better. It's sealed, so it will last for a long time. I don't know how long that will be. I know that clear coat is a lot better than this, but I mean, this will work for, I don't know for how long, but it will work. And yeah, let's take a good look from far away and see how it now looks with those new headlights. Now we're done, and it took about, let's say, 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. And now let's take a look at the results. Damn, take a look at that. That looks so much better than it did. Oh, damn. And I mean, this light in particular was horrible. Look at this. This is so much better. Damn. I must say, it's a little bit annoying that this only took like 20 minutes and I have been waiting for so long to do this. So that's the moral of this story. Don't wait up on doing some jobs on your car because they simply don't take too long. You just think it's a hassle, but it's really not. So I mean, this was well worth 30 minutes. Let's say I used half an hour including getting the stuff, finding the microfiber cloth and all of that. But still, 30 minutes on this, it's good. It's an easy job. Everybody can do this. Well, if your car do have some hazy or bad looking headlights, please buy that kit and fix it because the car will look so much better afterwards. Okay, now let's see how it looks with the park lights, the angel lights on. Wow, damn, that looks minty fresh. Take a look at those sharp angel lights. Damn, that looks so good. Oh, and it only took about 20-30 minutes. Is it why I've been waiting for this job? Take a look at that. It looks super good. Maybe I do need wet sand and clear coat to make it look perfect, but I mean, this is plenty good for me, to be honest. I think it looks really good, and the difference before and after is huge. With the now end bumper, the wheels, the kidney grills, and now the lights, this is looking clean. In the beginning, my idea was to get fog lights for it, but you know what? I kind of like the look with no fog lights. I think it looks kind of good. It looks like a little bit different than everything else, so I like it. Now we are done with this mod or upgrade to the car. I don't know why I didn't do this like before the winter time even. I have been driving around all winter with really bad looking headlights, so shame on me for not fixing it because it took seriously so little time. But now we know it is easy to do it, so hopefully I can inspire you to not wait out doing these kind of jobs because it is not difficult at all. Anybody can do this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something useful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!